Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will see how to solve question number 8 of exercise 5.2, okay, class 10, chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, okay. Now what is given? An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Okay, now we need to find what is 29th term. That is A29, we'll have to find what is the value of A29. And what it is given? So given is there are 50 terms. So basically there are total number of terms is equal to total number of terms of this AP series is equal to 50. And which third term is 12. That is A3, third term is 12. And the last term, so L value that you know, the last term is actually 106. Okay. So here if you notice, the total number of terms is 50. So which means the last term that is should be the 50th term, which is equal to 106. So here A50 is equal to 106. So they have not given you directly. They have specifically given you that the number of terms is 50. Total number of terms is 50. And the value in the last term is 106. So which meaning A50 will be equal to 106. Okay. Now we will use these two information to get the value of what is the A29. So A3 is equal to 12. That is A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 12. Or A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 12. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. So this is the first equation we have got. Okay. Now also we know like the 50th term, that is A50 is equal to 106. Now A plus N minus 1 into D equals 106. Or we can say like A plus 50 minus 1 into D equals 106. So A plus 49D is equal to 106. So these are the two equations. This is the second equation we have got. Now let's solve this equation to get the value for A and T. Then we will find what is A29. So let's write one below the other. A plus 2D is equal to 12, equation 1. And A plus 49D, which is equal to 106. This is equation 2. So this is equation 1. This is equation 2. Okay. Fine. Now solve this one. So let's subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So positive will become negative. Now this positive will become negative. Positive again will become negative. So positive A, negative A will get cancelled now. 2D, positive 2D, then negative. That will become negative 47D. Now 106 minus 12 now. So 4. Then if you borrow this will become 94. Negative 94 actually. So D value is equal to, cancel the negative signs on both sides. So negative 94 divided by 47. I think 47 times 2. So for 10, carry 1, yeah, 9, 2. So 47 ones are, 47 twos are. So D value is equal to 2. Okay, so value of D, which is equal to 2. So substitute the value of D in equation 1. You can substitute in any of the two equations. I am choosing the first equation. A plus 2D is equal to 12. So A plus 2D equals 12. So substituting D value to get the value for A equals 12. Now A plus 4 is equal to 12. So A is equal to, taking 4 to the other side, the value of A will be 8. Okay, so A value is 8, D value is 2. Now we should find what is A31. Sorry, we should find what is A29. So basically we should find what is A29. What is the 29th term? Now A plus N minus 1 into D. So here A is 8. So 8 plus value of 29, N is 20, 29 minus 1 into D value is positive 2. So A29, which is equal to 8 plus 28 into 2 is equal to 8 plus 16, carry 1, then 56. Then 8 plus 14, then at 64. So A29 value equals 64. Fine. Easy now. So in this question, we are given the information of, like, basically we'll have to find what is the A29th value, okay? And this AP consists of 50 terms. So totally there are 50 terms in this series. We know what the third term is given. So A3 is given as 12 and the last term is 106. So since this AP consists of a total of 50 terms, so the last term should be 50, right? So N value will be 50. So A50 is equal to 106. So these two informations we are going to use. We'll form the equation for these two, then solve them to find the value of A and D, then find what is the value of A29. Fine, easy, clear? Okay. So I hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.